new here, hey girlies! So today's video is going to be a sponsored try on haul. Yes, this video is sponsored. So African Mall reached out and they're like, hey, can we send you some clothes and you could do a try on video? And I was like, yeah, I'll only do the video though if I actually like the clothes, because so many times you guys, companies will send clothes and it's the most bootleg quality shit. YouTubers will sit here and be like, yeah, I spent all my money on this, like this is how much I paid for it. Nah, they sent this to me. So I was like, let me go ahead and pick out a couple things, and if I like it, I'll make a video about it. And I like what I got. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. Thank you, African Mall, for sending me some clothes. I'm super, super grateful, because I'm one cheap bitch. That's all I have to say. Cheap. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that they sent me. I asked you guys on Instagram, like before I even said yes to them, I went on there and I was like, have any of you guys ever ordered from this place before? Like, be honest, be real. And a couple of you guys were like, no, never heard of it. And some of you guys were like, yeah, I've got some stuff from there. And like one of you sent me a dress, like actually the exact dress that I'm about to show you, and it looked bomb on her. So I was like, I want that too. It looks bomb on me. I think so at least. I think so at least. So the first thing that I got were these sweatpants, because I thought they were really cute. I thought they were really like pretty and they looked comfortable, and they were pink, and I don't know why I like the color pink so much right now, but I do. But this is what they look like. They have two tigers on the side, and I was like, I'm gonna get these, and these are gonna either be like super, super thin, like the windbreaker material, or they're gonna be like decent, and they're actually decent, so I'm happy about that. I got these in a size large, by the way, which is my typical size. Whenever I get pants, I always get a large. So yeah, I ended up getting these. They're super, super comfy. I'm not gonna be that beauty guru who like sits here and like describes each item. So it has like stripes here and like the stitching and like. So this is the next item. It is this really, really cute dress. Like, it's so comfortable, you guys. Like, it fits so good too, and I was so happy. And they actually put a good amount of effort in the stitching, so the straps are not gonna pop off. Because when I tell you, there was a company one time that I never made the fucking video because I emailed them and I was like, y'all are so fucking bootleg, and they were like, fuck you. But I put one of their dresses on, and the second I like pulled it up and put my arm through it like that, literally the strap just snapped off, and I was like, this cheap shit. But I actually really like this dress. Super happy. It fits so good, and it's a good material. It's stretchy and it's thick, which I like, and that shows a lot about the quality. Next dress I got, I was kind of sad because I got it in the wrong size. I meant to get a medium, but I got a large, so this is not gonna fit me at all. This is a different material, and this one is like also a strap dress. And these are just so comfortable for summertime. Like, you could put this on with some sneakers or some sandals and you're literally good to fucking go. But I got this in a size too large, so unfortunately I'm not trying that on for you guys. And I just bought these orange Nikes, actually. They're right here. I just bought these fucking orange Nikes, and I was gonna wear them with that, because like that's what I like to do. I like to think ahead of time, like if I have these shoes, I'm gonna wear it with this, and now I can't. Next thing that I got was this bandeau, because it has flames on it, because I really dig flames. I don't care if it goes out of style. I'm gonna still keep wearing flames. Got this swimsuit. I'm not trying it on though, because I'm not comfortable doing that. But I got this swimsuit. Looks like this. I saw this exact same swimsuit on Jeanette Guzman, I think that's her name. She models for Fashion Nova, so it was probably a Fashion Nova swimsuit. But I saw this exact same one on her, and I was like, she looks so bomb. Like, I need that swimsuit as well. Obviously, I'm not gonna look like her, but like, she looks so fucking bomb in that swimsuit. So I was like, let me get it, and I love the way it looks on me as well. Because when it comes to like one pieces, like I feel like it's either gonna work or it's not gonna work when it comes to me. I feel like I have like a shorter torso and like longer legs, so I just look like a fucking ant. So whenever I wear one pieces, I feel like it makes me look like an elderly woman. The next two pieces that I got, I only got this because I wanted the skirt, because I saw an outfit that one of the Claremont twins put together, and I was like, the only place that I'm gonna find a skirt like that is either online or at Charlotte Russe, because I feel like Charlotte Russe, if we're gonna be real right now, like we're gonna sit down here and be real. Charlotte Russe, when you go to the club section or like their dressy stuff, it's like the most cheapest, like ghettoist, like ooh child, the ghetto. Like Charlotte Russe, you're gonna find some cute things in there once in a while. I love the shoe section. It's inexpensive. They always have sales and deals. But when it comes to the club section, don't fucking shop there, because everyone, I'm gonna fucking know, and I'm gonna show up and tell her. Just kidding. People are gonna be like, Vanessa, you're such a bitch. Like, why are you judging people for shopping at Charlotte Russe? I'm not. But when it comes to the Charlotte Russe club section, if you know, bitch, you fucking know. So I went there to go and find a skirt like this, and I didn't find one because they only had summer stuff for some reason. I guess they heard about me talking shit, so they removed everything suddenly, you know? I ended up finding this skirt, and it is a longer one, but I wanted it to be like a short skirt, kind of like that. But I just wanted this kind of material because I knew for a fact I was going to be able to find this at Charlotte Russe, but they didn't have it. Luckily, African Mall did, and they came with a like bandeau top, but I'm not going to ever wear these two together. I just wanted the skirt. Next thing that I got was this t-shirt that says girls supporting girls, because that is what I advocate for. So I just thought this was a really cool shirt and I couldn't pass it up. Next top that I actually got 2 of these. This is just one of them and it just says range. I don't know what that even means, like range, but I'm gonna start something that like, but do you even have range, bitch? Like I'm gonna start saying that. People are not gonna know what the fuck I'm talking about, but I'm gonna start saying it. So yeah, I got this shirt. It's a crop top. It's probably just as short as this one, which this one is really short. I need to pull my fucking shirt down. But yeah, I thought it was cute. I just liked that it had the stripes on the side. It gave me motorsport vibes. And I got this shirt. This one actually comes, everything that I got, like all the tops are in a size medium, by the way. This top right here was a one size fits all, and obviously you guys know why I got it. Like, come on now, like you guys know why I got this shirt. I thought this would be really cute with like a pair of jeans or something for a very casual day, but it also has a statement. I really wanted these IMGA like overall looking pants thingies and I couldn't find them anywhere, and I'm so pissed because I ended up finding them at Urban Outfitters. So I ended up buying them, but then these came in, so I was like, okay. These are like overalls. The other ones that I got are just like regular pants, but I saw like something like this on IMGA. It's like an Instagram shop and I really wanted it because I don't know, I'm just like super into this color right now. So I ended up getting these overalls. The quality on these are, I'm gonna be honest with you, it doesn't have a real, this is not a real zipper in the front. But when it comes to IMGA, you guys need to realize if you type in a lot of like their items on AliExpress, it shows up. I found that through like Diet Prada, which is an Instagram account that like exposes all these designers that just like drop ship from AliExpress, so you can get everything on there for like 10 bucks instead of 120. So peep that. But I literally found like the exact same thing on AliExpress that was on IMGA. So I was like, why am I gonna spend $130 on IMGA when I can spend $15 on AliExpress? But I don't want to wait like 50 days to get it from AliExpress. So I ended up finding it on African Mall, so I was super happy about that, and I got my overalls. Next thing that I got, okay, now I say that I don't like camo, but I thought this was so cute to wear to the pool. So it's like these little shorts, and then it comes with a little like bikini top. I've actually seen girls wear this as like an actual outfit out and about. I wouldn't do that, but I think this would be cute for just like the pool or whatever. I got it in a size medium and it fits pretty good. The thing I got was this dress, and I could see myself wearing like some Jordans or something with it for some reason. So that's why I got it. Looks like that. Next thing I got didn't fit me and made me super fucking sad because I thought this was so freaking cute, and it's just this regular schmegular skirt. But I already knew exactly what I was gonna wear with it and everything, but I got it in a size medium and I should have got it in a large. Like, I always get everything in large, so I don't know why I was trying to be a skinny legend for 5 seconds. Top I got was this one. I think this is super cute. I feel like you're either gonna hate this top or you're gonna love it, but I absolutely love it. I love stripes and I love this type of pattern, and I like that they like combined the two. So this is this top. Next, like I said, I got another one of the range shirts. The last range shirt was in a medium, but I actually got this in a large because I wanted to see like the difference. I wanted to see if the like sleeves would be bigger or anything, but it's not that big of a difference. But yeah, I just got the white version of that same shirt that I just showed you. Next thing I got was this dress. Like I said, I'm telling you guys, I've been loving this color lately for some reason, and it completely like washes out my skin tone because like I haven't been tanning, I haven't been like sitting out or anything by the pool or even fake tanning. So did you hear Penny? So like I literally like melt into this, but I love this. Like, I just love this. Ugh, somebody take me on a fucking dinner date. I want to wear a fucking dress. And the last item I have to show you are these pants. Now, if you go on their website, it makes it seem like it's a 2-piece set, so you're getting like the top and the bottom. So I was pretty upset about that it only came with the pants. I don't know if they forgot or what, but I only got the pants. So RIP, RIP, didn't get the top, but it's fine. I just wanted the pants, and which they're also pretty good quality. I just got them because they were color blocking with like black, white, and yellow, and I could see myself putting something together with that. So that is basically everything that I got from African Mall. I thought I would show you guys. Thanks African Mall for sending me some clothes. I fucking appreciate it because I love clothes. I love switching everything up. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll put any discount codes or anything that I have for you guys in the description below. And yeah, I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye. Let me have you work.